made this candy machine. But it's not yet finished. I still need to put the box thing that holds the candy inside. And we went to Smith's and bought these candy. They are perfect shape and size, this candy machine. And you can follow the video too. It's how we do it. It does perfect instructions. And it tells you what size cardboard you need. Exactly how you do it. It's perfect instructions.
And you'll need.
It's just mine looks a little loppy because it doesn't show you the inches and stuff for these trapezoids up here, and they used liquid hot glue, so theirs looks better. Anyway, these are Jelly Belly chocolate Dutch mints, made in USA, all that stuff. And I'm gonna do quick advertising. Oh no, the candy. Buy jelly stuff, buy Jelly Belly stuff, and if it's not in condition, you send it back in packaged, and you send your complaint. They give you a conditioned one for free. So anyway, it says I got a free thing. He gets one, and I'm gonna eat one.
Want to see what mine is?
Oh my goodness. It's mint mixed with jelly mixed with chocolate. Awesomeness. Oh, and also Reed also got candy.
Mine is a baby bottle pop. They added a new thing, so you can dip it in powder and then dip it in these. And they taste like nerds, so you won't have to buy nerds anymore.
Yeah, basically they just upgraded baby bottle pops to get more money.
And look, you can put this on.
And so how this works is candy is stored right here, and I'm gonna make the box. Falls into this hole. There's this button here, and there's a hole underneath that hole. And it falls into that hole. Then when you push the button, it drags the candy with the hole above another hole, which is above this ramp right here, which you can't see, I think. And then it comes out. I'm gonna test it.
But you have to tip it a little.
Yeah. I don't know. Okay, boom. Yes, it works. Hold on, I need to tip this. No matter how many times you try, it's always gonna work if you follow the steps exactly. Bye!